Let's talk resolutions and goals. Now that we are in week 2 of the new year, January 2024, have you set a resolution this year yet? Do you have any goals in mind? I just want to talk about really quick. I'm not going to take too much time of yours, but a lot of people's goals saying they want to get healthy. That's a great goal, but it is just so broad and so general, and it's hard to know where to even begin. So I want you to start being specific. I say I want to get healthy, and I want every day I want you to have a planner, a calendar, a notepad, something. Would just make a list of your to-do list that day of how you're going to get to your goals. Like say, for example, my personal goal is I am going to incorporate more protein into each meal. So I'm going to write that down, incorporate more protein, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and snacks. Maybe get more healthy, get healthier. Could also be drinking more water every day. That's the key to if you want to lose weight, feel better, have more energy. All the above is drinking enough water. Sometimes our bodies feel like we're hungry, but yet we're just thirsty. So take your body weight, divide it by 2, and that's how much water you should be drinking every day in ounces. So for example, someone who weighs 180 should be drinking 90 ounces of water a day, minimum. If you're exercising and sweating more, drinking more than that. So just be specific with your goals, with how you're gonna get to your goals, because just saying, I'm gonna get healthy, you also need to write down when you're gonna work out. You got to plan your workout, not just say I'm gonna work out tomorrow. I wanna know exactly what you're gonna do and when you're gonna do it. Even if it's just 10 minutes of yoga. Say, I'm gonna do 10 minutes of yoga in the morning before I take a shower, before I go to work. Just get specific, guys. That's the way you're gonna achieve your goals the fastest and have the most success with your goals this year, is to be specific, write them down, and know exactly what your game plan is. All right, guys, that's it for now. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.